Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to unbox this cube. This cube is very special to me because this is my 100th cube, and I could achieve this milestone after 3 years. So I've started my cubing journey in July 2017, and I mean it's been 3 years, and now I'm having this is my 100th cube. So this is very important cube for me uh, because I've achieved my first milestone. So let's see. It is cube is very common cube, but for me it is very important because this is 100th cube of my collection. So it is centrosphere cube. So this cube is not new, or newly launched, but since I got some viewers request to do the tutorial on the same, so I've ordered this, and thank you for watching.